Today, the main thing I want to show you is a very special tool. It is the LPS FAB collector jig. I have here some PVC that I used as my test runs. Highly recommend that you guys get this stuff. It's really cheap. I got a whole 10-foot stick for 20 bucks. So you can test different angles, you can make mistakes, you can test fitments. The beauty of this thing, I use it on a horizontal bandsaw. You can use it on a vertical bandsaw. I'm gonna actually cut some scheduled stainless for you in order to show you how it actually works, but I just want to give you a quick rundown. There's certain angles on the side here. For a turbo manifold, 10 to 15 is your range. I put it right in the middle. That ended up being the best angle for me. By moving this up and down, this will actually change the angle because the saw is obviously cutting here, getting cut, and it will change that angle. And this is exactly, you know, for that angle, this is exactly where I want it, where I need it to be. There's a bunch of different ways, there's a bunch of different configurations. You can make these obviously longer. That's going to change position. The different angles are going to tighten this up. If you wanted this hole to be really tight, the piping size is going to change. That's why I suggest getting a sample piece, you know, getting these PVC samples. It's all pipe. You can see we got our first cut. Now this is where it gets tricky. Each one of these marks is 5 degrees. The tube is 360 degrees. We're going to have a 3-way collector. So that gives us 120. We're gonna need to have that piece cut into 2 cuts. So that gives us 60 degrees. Now, when you're doing different collectors, probably a 4 or a 6 or an 8, you're gonna have different numbers, so remember that. And we're gonna make our marks. So we got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and 60. And we're gonna make our second cut. And voila, in raw form, you have one of 3 merch collector. We'll go ahead and clean off all the sides, make it nice and flat. And 1 down, 2 more to go. Well, there you have it. Awesome tool by LPS FAB. Makes life a lot easier, makes it nice and accurate, nice and straight. Again, shout out to these guys for making an awesome product.